Here at Clean Getaway Car Detailing, we have a fantastic loyalty club for those who want their car to always look amazing. We provide weekly and fortnightly packages which will allow you to spend your valuable time where it really matters to you. Firstly, we begin the detailing service by bringing your vehicle into our workshop and into the wash bay. The exterior is thoroughly rinsed to remove any built-up dirt and grime. Then we also wash the exterior top to bottom with our premium wash mitts and pH neutral Canuba wash to give your car that added shine and gloss. We thoroughly rinse down the surface, and then the wheels are cleaned inside and out with our specialized wheel brushes and wash mitts. Your car is dried down with our delicate plush microfibre drying towels. We use compressed air to remove water from the nooks and crevices where the water gets built up, and then we wipe down the door jambs and boot lid openings, cleaning away the water and dust. Your car is then moved into one of our designated detailing bays where all the interior detailing magic happens. Our team begins with thoroughly vacuuming the seats, carpets and floor mats. The seats are moved forward and back to ensure the carpet is fully cleaned. We even use LED headlights to enhance the lighting to ensure we see all the details. We then clean down the dash, doors, leather seats and center console areas with our premium microfiber cloths with our safe interior cleaning products. The windows and the mirrors are also cleaned with our glass cleaner and streak-free technique. We remove any water streaky and bugs from the exterior glass and apply our anti-flick tie sheen, followed by a final check over on the wheels. We then double check our work by moving your vehicle outside into the natural light, and then once satisfied, we send you a friendly text message letting you know that your car is ready for collection.
So if our loyalty club sounds like what you need for your car, then give us a call on 1300 501 144 and book it in, or you can also send us an email or even use our online booking form. Hopefully we hear from you soon. Catch you later.